this week for our hike, we are going to go on a Minibeast hike. So you're probably wondering, what is a Minibeast, Ember? And a Minibeast is any kind of small little creature. It's usually like bugs or insects. So I have a little check sheet that I'll post online for you to follow along with. You don't need to have any of these supplies, but if you do, these will be great to bring. So kind of like a bug catcher, like a net, a magnifying glass, anything like that that helps you get up close and personal with your Minibeasts. You don't have to have a big park to do this. You can do this at your house or in your yard or in your garden. So let's head out and see what we can find. On this rock over here we found a little dragonfly. Maybe it's a damselfly. Okay, so we just moved this little log over and we have found an earthworm already. So he's probably going to hide in his little hole, but that's okay. But we can mark him off on our Minibeast hike. Worms are really cool. They help make our soil. So this guy's like goes through the soil and he eats, and then he kind of leaves drop things on the way out. Get ready. He's gonna swim up. He went that way. Up. We're just flipping over some rocks. See if we can find anything cool. Oh, here's some sort of larvae. Right here. Here's a critter. Cool. I can't remember what they're called. I'll look it up. We found either some fishies or some tadpoles hanging out in here. Oh, and if you look over there, there's like some water striders. So they're the water bugs that use water tension to hang out on top of the water. Cool there. Cool. And he's hanging out on some of the clovers over here. Awesome. So we moved this piece of bark, and if you guys can see, we found a little spider web and a little spider. So that is another creature, another Minibeast to check off our list. Got him. Nice catch. So on my little hunt, I found some cool little things to show you. So I've got my little magnifying glass box right here, and I found a really pretty stink bug. And it's cool because it's got its wings outstretched, and you can kind of see him inside of it. And he's a really pretty cool color. So he's got some like these purplish greens on his shell, and then his wings are kind of like a pinkish color. So I thought that would be kind of cool to share with you. So there he is in there, but then when you magnify him, you can see all the cool little features. And I also found a little ladybug as well. And so I've got this tiny little magnifying glass that you can use if you have one or something like this. And you just kind of tilt it around until you can see him. So I need to center this one around. It's a little windy, so I don't know if it'll work. Oh, it doesn't look like it's gonna let me show you through the lens very well. But you can kind of see him through the lens. There's some things you can do if you find some creatures, some little Minibeasts on your hike. You can kind of check them out and see what's cool and find some cool little beasts. That was the end of my Minibeast hike. We found a lot of cool stuff, and we found some little tadpoles and some flies and ants and bees and a damselfly. But I challenge you guys to go on your own Minibeast hunt and use this to go looking for stuff and tell us what you find. See ya!